If your LCD display gets damaged and needs to be replaced, you want to first disconnect the connector by grabbing the ends of the connector. You don't want to pull on the wires. Next, you'll use a 2mm Allen wrench to loosen your display. Then you'll use a 3mm Allen wrench to loosen your hand grip. A couple of turns. And then last, a 5mm Allen wrench to loosen your hand grip a couple of turns. So you should be able to twist, pull off your hand grip, and then twist and pull off your display. Then you'll reinstall the new display, reinstall your hand grip, make sure you get it all the way on. Make sure there's a gap between your throttle and your hand grip so that the thumb throttle does not rub. And you can retighten with your 5mm Allen wrench the end of your hand grip. Get it nice and snug. Take your 3mm Allen wrench, retighten the hand grip on this end, and then back to your 2mm Allen wrench to tighten your throttle back. And for your final step, reconnect your display connector by making sure that the two arrows on the ends of the connector line up with one another. And then you're all set.